Okay, so once we have the model trained, then we can go in and view it. And you just see here at the top, it says training successful. Your model training is successful, and click here to view it. So I'll click on the test here. Take us into the actual application. And then this gives you an overview of how many images are in here and other metadata. So to actually view it, you just click on test. And you can set your threshold, as I mentioned before, but we'll keep it at 0 so we can see all of our classes. So it'll show the threshold even if it's 0, whether it's not meeting a class or not. So I go view the fruit, and let's see, I'm going to drop a orange image in. Let's see if it detects that it is an orange. So it's thinking, and yes, it's a 92%. Well, it's actually not percentage, pardon me, but it meets 90.92 out of 1. 0.92 out of 100 of meeting the category for an orange. All right, so I'll drop a pineapple in, and let's see if it meets that category. And it's thinking. I'm going to see what happens if I bring up like a apple. I'm going to see where that falls into. Okay, so I'm going to drop this in, and I don't have a negative category, so it's going to choose either pineapple or orange. So we're going to find out which one this is closest to. And it's probably confused. All right, it comes up as an orange, and that makes sense. More of an orange category. Now, if you wanted to say it's not one of these, then you would start setting up your negative category and filling up images with that. All right, so that's how it works. And there's actually a lot of applications that you can use with this. And so once you dive more into it, even though it's a really simple setup, you'll see that you can have a lot of time perfecting the thresholds. So have fun with it.